About 4 years ago, I made a video on how to file an income tax return. In that standalone video, I was able to show you how we transfer information from already prepared financial statements into the income tax return template. Since then, I have received questions and feedback from viewers about different challenges in filing the income tax return. So to answer these concerns, I have created an expanded playlist on how to file an income tax return. This playlist gives you a clear step-by-step guide on how to file the income tax return. Now, this is what you should expect in this playlist. In this playlist, I talk about important tax terms that you need to know to understand how income tax is imposed. Some of these terms are like who a person is, what is chargeable income, what is tax residency, and what we mean by year of income. Then afterwards, I get to teach you how to check if a team is tax compliant, and I do so using a real-life case study. I then teach you how to prepare financial statements from incomplete records while legally managing your tax exposure. I am exploring this because most small businesses in Uganda do not actually have complete records. And then I also go ahead and show you eventually how to correctly file an income tax return for businesses and also income tax return for individual. Of course, by showing you how we file an income tax return for individual, it means that I have indirectly showed you how to file an income tax return for the director. Each video is meant to be simple, practical, and easy to follow, especially for accountants looking to improve their tax filing skills. These lessons are only available to channel members. By joining, you get full access to the playlist and premium insights that will save you time, money, and stress when handling taxes. Plus, your membership directly supports the creation of more high-quality tax education content to help even more people understand taxation with confidence. To join, just click the join button on the channel's homepage. Or check the video description for details. Now, I want these videos to be as helpful as possible. So, in the event that you're watching a video and you feel there is a concept that I need to explain more, or you have feedback, just let me know in the comment section below. Or just let me know in the comment section of any video. I read every comment, I read every question that is posted in the comment sections. And if I see a common issue, I'll always make extra videos to cover those topics in detail. So don't hesitate. Let me know when you need help and I'll create content just for you. To those who have already joined the channel membership area, thank you very much. Your support makes it possible to keep producing content that simplifies taxation. If you haven't joined yet, now is the perfect time for you to join. Click the join button and unlock the full access to the playlist and start mastering income tax filing today.